Most days I'm juggling a lot. There's usually a bug to investigate, a couple of pull requests to review, and a refactor I started yesterday but didn't really finish. Every time I switch between them, there's a cost, a new window, a new branch, and the effort of remembering where I left off. The GitHub Copilot app keeps it all in one place. Let me show you how it works. For my demo, I'm going to work on my coffee shop's home page. I'll open the GitHub Copilot app and start in My Work. It brings all my issues and pull requests from every project into one view. They're grouped into sections for quick scanning. Active is items assigned to me or opened by me. Review requested are items waiting for my review. And done is the cleanup section. I can also add custom sections. I just click on the plus, and a section can be anything I can write as a GitHub search. So today I have 3 pull requests and 2 issues to work through. Now for each, I need to start a session. So I can click on one and then select new session. So I'm going to do this for all of the 5 items, skip a little bit ahead and come back to it with all of the items already started. Now that all 5 sessions are open, let me show you how they're isolated. For each item, the app checks that branch out into its own folder on disk. It's called a work tree, and each session gets its own. Editing a file in one tab doesn't touch the others. No stashing, no git checkout shuffle, no risk of bleeding changes from one branch into another. Looking at the dark mode toggle issue, we can see that the agent already has started on the issue. This is because I enabled auto start issue sessions on the project. The agent has already drafted a plan and committed to the work tree. The plan looks reasonable, but I want the toggle in line with the page title, not in the header. I'm going to tell the agent that and let it implement. This is the part I want to be clear about. I'm not just pressing start session and walking away. I'm staying outcome focused, agreeing the plan, giving feedback in plain English, and leaving the implementation to the model. I can review the diffs if I need to, but I want to stay high level. Once the agent is done, I can click run at the top of the workspace or start a server via the terminal. The site comes up in localhost straight from this work tree. So I'm seeing exactly what the agent built. If I want to change something, I use pick and polish. I click on an element, and a screenshot of the surrounding context attaches to the composer. No copy-pasting selectors, no describing what I'm pointing at. Now let me come back to a pull request. The Stylesheet PR has a Copilot code review enabled, and the CI just failed. Normally, this is where I'll start context switching, read the review comments, dig into the CI log, push a fix, wait for CI again. With all 3 PRs queued behind me, that's most of my day gone. Now, this is where agent merge handles it. So every few minutes, it checks 3 things. Have the review threads been handled? Is the CI green? Is the branch clean? If not, it works on them. If it gets stuck, it pings me. Otherwise, it lands the pull request on its own. With me multitasking myself more than ever, I can't spend all the time babysitting PRs through to merge. Agent merge is what makes the multitasking actually pay off. Next, let's look at automations. So these are the part of the day that I do over and over again, like triaging new issues or sweeping stale branches. And I won't dive into here, but they're just a click away. Well, that concludes the demo. This demo showed that the entire SDLC can now be done from the app. I can find the right work to focus on. I can partner with the model to build a plan, implement that plan, stay outcome orientated in my feedback, and land changes with agent merge to close out the entire SDLC. A week ago, a good day for me was shipping 1 pull request. Today, 3 of them shipped themselves, and 2 issues already have a head start. That's it. No tab juggling, no stashed branches, no losing my place. Whether I'm triaging an issue, drafting a pull request, or even working through review feedback, the agent works alongside me and ships the work.